Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I wanted to share some fun new product that I just got into my pre-order for our November online exclusives. This product is packaged in our new packaging, and I thought you'd be excited to see it just like I was, so you know what's coming. This happens to be the stamp set and die, so it's a bundle from November's online exclusives, and the envelopes have a little bit of a satin finish to them. I'm going to open this up, pull out the stamp set, and the paper's got kind of a glossy look to it on both sides. And then your photopolymer stamp set is right there between two pieces of film, just like always. The die cuts come in the same packaging, so it's consistent. I'm going to slide that out, open it, and these are actually full-size images, it looks like, on both of the pieces, and it's on the same tag board like always with the adhesive. So you can keep this on the tag board, or you could use a magnetic sheet if you would prefer. Now this also has a glossy finish to it, just like the stamp sets. So I'm going to slide this back in, quick and easy. Open up the back flap and slide in that tab. And of course, Stampin' Up! Is giving us the option of getting a package of 10 stamp and die cut organizers so that we can add things such as our older stamp sets that we want to have a consistent packaging for, or embellishments and things like that. So there you go, a sneak peek at our new stamp and die organizers coming in November. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.